Oh no, she's really good at pulling hair. Okay, Adley, no, let go. Yeah.
Let go.
Yeah. Or just give her a hug from laying down. Oh, that's sweet, Katie. You like that too, Adley? You love those hugs? That's cute. Oh!
These are your toes.
Yeah, those are your toes. Is that fun? Oh, don't stretch it too much. She's talking to you.
I'm talking to you.
Yeah, she's talking to you. Oh, I don't think you can pick her up. She's kind of heavy. She's super heavy. It might hurt you.